Welcome. This is Daniel Boateng. Today we are going to mix Highlife with gospel. We are going to apply the Highlife principles in gospel. I have a piece of song that I have composed which is very simple and I'm going to teach you. Ne mama kwaba. Abusiafo Daniel Boateng die. Ene ye the Highlife adisua no e bi wura ye gospel no mu. Enyum bia fofo a mahye na ene ye di ebedi dwuman. Ntinya botre na yensua de. Enyum no emu nsem nie. Sa mihu Yesu Kristo a mesesa mabrabo. Sa mihu Yesu Kristo a mesesa mabrabo. Sa mihia no a mesesa eniyama dada ni nyina beye fom. Sa mihu Yesu Kristo a mesesa mabrabo. Enyum no mu nsem nyina nie. Na chord progressions no ye born ye common key. Ye bo ade no ye common key. Na me fa men ayiro na ye hwe. Ye bo ewo ye common key. Ye bo ewo ye common key na ye hwe. Sami hu Yesu Kristo merci sama bram. Sami hu Yesu Kristo merci sama bram. Sami hu Yesu Kristo merci sama bram. Semi Jana Messi and your mother that never from Semi hu Yesu Kristo Messi Stama Brabo. Show me right hand no. I don't so said me dey. Semi hu Yesu Kristo merci sama brabo. Semi hu Yesu Kristo merci sama brabo. Semi shiana merci and your mother that never from Semi hu Yesu Kristo merci sama brambo. Yo, dear tenye, you have a bono praises form. Ye be to dwom ye wa so dem ye be to praises so ati ase aha ntimi be to na ma bone praises mi wia na ma break it down so finger picking ni nyina se mi fa pick mi sa ni nyina na me dia ma what ati ase enti ye mfa ye ntwene no ne ye ndawuro no ni ma na aka ni nyina emfa nka ho Cristo, merci sama bravo. Semi hu Yesu Cristo, merci sama bravo. Semi shiana merci sa, edia manda dan debe fom. Semi hu Yesu Cristo, merci sama dada nebe ye fom. Semi hu Yesu Kristo Messi sama brabo. Semi hu na Messi sama. Enyama dada nebe ye fom. Semi hu Yesu Kristo Messi sama brabo. Okay, say me yeah video bia me to ni din finger picking technique. Yedibo praises. Me name nam say suku so na bisa. Yedibo praises. Na urefia me kaio. These three strings, the B string, the G string, and then the D string is my pick string. I don't know me pick it, and I me bonsa. The to the B and I'm the root no account. So and see share. Okay, so at C major. Send me who Yesu. Then I go to F. Still I'm picking the same three strings. Mercy, son. Then I go to G. Still the three strings I am picking. Mercy, son, my bravo. Send me who Yesu Christo. Mercy, son, my bravo. You can see that I am picking these three strings, the B, the G, and then the D strings. These are the strings I am picking always. The others are just the bass I'm adding, but as a beginner, you don't need to worry about the bass line. What you have to do now is do the finger picking. Semi hu Yesu Kristo Messi sama brabo. Semi hu Yesu Kristo Messi sama brabo. You can see that I am moving from do, then fa, do, then I go to so. Semi hu Yesu Kristo Messi sama brabo. That is what I am doing. Now when I stress Toboasi beginner na ye finger picking no. So fear, go back. I have a video on YouTube on finger picking technique. You can go and then find out, watch it, and then you insert it in playing your praises. Okay, let me once again put everything together whilst I'm sitting down, and then play with the drums and then the bell and whatever. Let's see. Cristo, Messi, sama bravo. Semi hu Yesu Cristo, Messi, sama bravo. Semi hu na Messi sa, and your mother da nebe ye fom. Semi hu Yesu Cristo, Messi, sama bravo. Semi una Messi sa, and your mother da nebe ye fom. Semi hu Yesu Cristo, Messi sama bravo. On this note, I'll always encourage you to keep on practicing. Keep on practicing. It is only practice that brings about perfection. If you don't practice, what you are dreaming for will not come to pass. So leave a comment at the comment section, share the videos, and then subscribe. Invite all your friends to come on board. We will come your way next time with another beautiful lesson. Thank you for watching.